In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI for content writing. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank page to a polished, publish-ready article using clear, repeatable prompts. First, open the official Perplexity AI website and log into your account. Having a clean document or notes app ready will make it easier to copy drafts and track changes as you go. Before you start typing prompts, choose a specific content topic. Define what you want to write about and who it's for. For example, you might focus on how to start a blog in 2026. Clarity here helps Perplexity return precise, useful results later. Next, generate content ideas. Ask Perplexity for a list of angles or titles related to your topic, such as, "Give me blog post ideas about blogging for beginners." Look for ideas that match your audience's skill level and your goal, whether it's tutorial, comparison, or opinion. Once you've picked a direction, create a structured outline. Prompt Perplexity with something like, "Create a detailed blog outline for this topic." Ask it to arrange sections logically from introduction to conclusion. If anything feels too broad or too thin, request a revised version with more subheads. Now write section by section. Start with the introduction so you set the tone. Use a prompt like, "Write an introduction for this blog post," and specify the voice, length, and reading level. Continue through each heading of your outline, one at a time, to keep quality consistent. Then expand and improve the draft. Use prompts such as, "Make this more engaging," "Add examples," or "Simplify this paragraph." Iterate until the text feels clear, confident, and helpful. Quick note: you'll find the website link, and if you prefer the app, the download link, right at the top of the description so you can follow along as you watch. When the draft reads well, optimize it for SEO. Ask Perplexity to optimize this article for SEO with keywords and headings. Ensure the suggested keywords fit naturally, and confirm the headings reflect how people actually search. Always check facts and sources. Review any citations, open the links, and verify dates, definitions, and statistics so your content remains accurate and trustworthy. Next, format the content. Ask Perplexity to format this as a blog post with headings and bullet points. Request short paragraphs, clear subheads, and scannable structure that's easy on the eyes. Finally, copy the finished content and publish it on your platform. Do a quick final read for tone and typos, then hit publish. Thanks for watching.